Today's Thursday, January 1st, and the futures market started trading almost 2 hours ago. So this is the first trade I've taken for the 2026 for the new year. So this is the chart for the micro NASDAQ 100 futures, ticker symbol MNQ. And as of the time of this recording, the NASDAQ 100, it's 25,498. And this is the chart layout at the 30-minute time frame. So each of these red and green candlesticks equals 30 minutes of trading. This is the current candlestick right here, this red candlestick. The horizontal lines are, from my perspective, reasonable support and resistance levels. We can see that price fell below this local support level heading into the close this past Wednesday, heading into New Year's. And when the futures market started trading, it was breaking to the upside, and I took a long position. I'm speculating that it's possible that this drop that occurred this past Wednesday could get reversed into today's trading session. So during the overnight session for the futures market, I'm speculating that price could potentially break above this 25,520 support resistance level. My entry price are the details to the trade are down here at the bottom. I went long with two futures. My average entry price is $25,486, and I'm risking $111. I'm keeping a very tight stop on this because the market's been selling off for the past few days. So it's possible that price could run up to this EMA at 25,539. Which would coincide with this local support resistance level, 25,520. So I just want to keep this a tight stop. If price is able to break above both of those two resistance levels, I have my target, take profit target, sitting up here at 25,784 for a profit potential of almost $1,200. The $1,200 is my target to completing the Top Step X $50,000 trading combine. So right here in the top left quadrant, my current balance is $51,870. So the target I have for about $1,200 should be enough to complete that $3,000 challenge. So that's the status of this trade so far. I'll pause it here, give it a few hours, and I'll update accordingly. So it's been a few hours since the trade, and right now the NASDAQ is pushing higher. It appears to be stalling out after a strong push at this evening's open. And the NASDAQ is at 25,636 3/4. So this is the current candlestick right here. Because of this move to the upside, I did walk my stop order to 25,562 3/4. I'm protecting a little over $300 in profit because right now the position is up a little over $600. So overall, the trade is about halfway to reaching that $1,200 profit target. So I did bump it up to a little over $1,200 to meet that $3,000 requirement. However, at the same time, I just entered a gold short as well. So down here at the bottom, I shorted one gold futures, a micro gold futures. My entry price is at $4,386.40. And I'm risking $88. My take profit target is $435. So it's really a push to get to that $1,200 benchmark to complete that $3,000 challenge. Right here in the top left corner is my current balance of $52,436 based on these two positions. So if gold continues trending lower, I'm going to start scaling my take profit target in the NASDAQ lower because that would also offset any of the, because I don't want to go too crazy when my target is $1,200. I'm not looking to make $6,000 or anything like that. I just want to hit that $1,200 target in completing the first portion of this $50,000 combine. So I'll go ahead and pause it here. The stock market's going to open in a few hours as well. So I'm just going to go back to sleep. So quick update. Today is Friday, January 2nd, and the stock market bell will sound off in less than 1 minute. As of the time of this recording, the NASDAQ 100 has pulled back during the overnight session and is now currently quoted at 25,693. This is the current 30-minute candlestick here. So a couple of things. The gold trade was a bust, and right here in the top center, it's showing a losing balance of about $90. $88 is from that gold short. So that was a bust. And because of this price fading to the downside, I did walk my stop order. It's now sitting at 25,651, protecting a profit of $660. And the stock market bell will sound off in 4 seconds, so I'll stay quiet for that. So that's the market bell. Hopefully we'll see a rally, price bouncing off this blue EMA and spiking through this upper resistance level I have sitting here at 25,756. Regarding the gold trade, because I lost $90 approximately, I walked my limit order higher. It's now sitting at 25,815. So hopefully this is enough to complete that $3,000 threshold or goal for this $50,000 trading combine. So right now, the overall P&L is reflecting a positive balance of slightly above $900. This morning, at this 6 a.m. candlestick, the trade was up slightly above $1,000, and it was as low as pretty much close to closing my trade out here. So that's the status so far. I will go ahead and pause it again, and hopefully I'll try and capture the recording of this trade as price completes this $1,314 target. So more to follow. So quick update. I was just stopped out, so I am out of this trade. So right here in the top center, the realized P&L is reflecting a positive balance of $569. And here under the balance section, the position is up $52,385. So I am literally $600 away from completing this $3,000 challenge on the $50,000 combine. So even though I did get closed out, I'm suspecting that this blue EMA will hold and continue the uptrend. So for now, I am just going to sit tight. I'll wait for another trade entry. If one does present itself, I'd like to hopefully close this trade out or this challenge out today. If not, I'll pick it up next week. So what I'll do is I'll switch over to my performance log. So here's the performance log. The total P&L is $2,385. So I'm about $615 away from completing this challenge. So here's the trades for today. The two winning trades were the two M&Q contracts. Here, that losing trade was that gold trade. So here's my daily performance since starting this combine last Friday. So it's been a week. So if I scroll all the way down to my daily log here, so this is from last Friday when I opened this account. And then we have the silver short here. This was a terrible day. And this is today's, this was Wednesday's trade. And then the market was closed in observance to New Year's Day. And this is today. So overall, if I don't take another trade this week, I'd be ending the week $2,349 positive. So Yeah, so here, this was the gold losing position here. So 342, 318 was each of those contracts for M and Q. So yeah, until next setup, I'll see you.